T like a K and like a K so for the hiccups. Hiccup, oh no. P has the hiccups. Hiccup, hiccup. How do you stop the hiccups? P as grub and toe. How do you stop my hiccups? I know sick grub and toe. You stand on one foot. You stand on one foot. Hiccup. P still has the hiccups. P asks Callie, how do you stop my hiccups? I know, says Callie. You're staying on one foot and hop up and down. P stands on one foot. He hops up and down. Hiccup, hiccup. P still has the hiccups. P asks guys, how do you stop my hiccups? I know, says guys. You stay on one foot and hop it down and sing a song. P stands on one foot. He hops up and down. He sings the song. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. P still has the hiccups. P asks Bob, how do you stop my hiccups? I know, says Bob. You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing the song. And roll with the belly, says Bob. P does it. Hiccup, not is working. P still has the hiccups. Go ask Mom, says Bob. P asks Mom, how do we stop my hiccups? I know, says Mom. You take a deep breath. P takes the deep breath. Hold your breath and blow it out, says Mom. P holds his breath. P blows his breath out. That's it, P asks. That's it, says Mom. P waits. And he just waits. He waits. The hiccups are gone. Moms are so smart. Dig and